Inland's manufacturing operation has multiple lines of manufacturing, and they handle everything from building the components of our recycling plants to building our proprietary Glyvac recovery vehicles. And we even do refurbishment of ground services equipment. Inland's manufacturing operation needs to adhere to a number of very strict standards. Those include, of course, occupational health and safety standards. Prior to Ideagen's health and safety solutions, one of the gaps that we had in the system is that reporting of small, less serious incidents often got lost in the shuffle. The reporting culture has improved in our manufacturing group as a result of Ideagen's health and safety solutions because it's so easy to report that we've removed the barrier of accessibility essentially for the system. So we have very good reporting, and reporting of the small things, which is generally what you want to promote in an organization, because larger issues always get reported. It's the small ones that you want to encourage people to report. So we needed a system that could act as a backbone to our risk management processes. And we also had several different pieces of technology that were all trying to do part of this job, and we needed a single solution. When we get more reporting, we learn more about the system, and we have an opportunity to proactively manage risk before we have accidents.
So my name is Dawn Brown, and I am the Manager of Manufacturing and Design for the Inland Group of companies. So the benefits of having a program that has full operational transparency is that we as a company have the ability to see reports the moment it happens, right? So while we may be a manufacturing facility that's located in Nova Scotia, we have the ability to send employees elsewhere. So it helps us be able to make good business decisions. So how Ideagen solution would help us prepare for additional workload would be that the immediate ability to have a look at an incident report and assess what it means to us. The biggest impact of these incidents not being reported or not having access to this would be the potential risk to people and their well-being. So when you know better, you do better. So it allows us to be in a safe environment to conduct our work. And at the end of the day, we want everybody to go home in the same condition that they arrived. And that allows us the best chance of giving them that. Ideagen has improved safety culture by making reporting easy and accessible. So if it's easy to do, people are going to do it. So sometimes even when it's the right thing to do, if it's incredibly hard or not easy, people will say downplay or justify why it's like, oh, maybe it's not that important. When you have access and it's so easy to do this, it's really not a disruption, or it's a no-brainer. You just go in, you do your report, and off you go. If I could summarize what Ideagen solution has brought to the company in one sentence or one word, I would say efficiency.